What's going on, everybody? So today we're going to be going over Aussie dollar, AUD, USD. All right. So without further ado, further wait, let's go ahead and get into it, guys. So first and foremost, we just want to go ahead and see where the market's been going. Right now we're on the 4-hour chart. Again, this is Aussie dollar. Okay. Now let's go ahead and pull up our paintbrush. Now here we go. A top, bottom, a lower top, lower bottom, lower top, and we're here now. Okay, so let's not neglect any spot over directly to the left of us. Okay, matter of fact, let's go ahead and do that proper. Okay, got a rectangle there. Boom. Okay, if we can see, where's this? There we go. We gotta hit off of it once, twice, three, 4 times. Okay. Pull us over. We gotta hit off of it. One, two, almost three. Okay, still want to pull it over. Boom. And now we're doing what? We're one, two, above it now. So we could be looking at something like that, but let's do it straight. Okay. One, two. I am looking at a break. Okay. Definitely am looking at a break already. So, without doing too much, there's a point right there, there's a point right there, point right there, point right there, point got broken, penetrated, or didn't get penetrated, but ricocheted off of it, bounced off of it, bounced off of it, came up, starting to kind of find some pressure. Looks like it's doing something like that. Okay. But only time will tell. Look like it's doing something like that. Okay. Mind you, we got this level here stretched out there. Okay. On the 4 hour, let's look a little closely. So we got, okay, left shoulder, head. I'm trying to see. We don't have a right shoulder yet, but if we can get, okay, here we are. Alrighty. Now, if we can get, let's even go down to the 1 hour possibly. We can still see a clear picture. Okay, mind you, we're not looking for any cells because we are above this major level. Okay, we've already broken out a trend. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if anything, we might see something like that leading into next week. If anything, maybe not even that deep. You know, maybe just trying to get it correct. There we go. Maybe just, you know, it may just buzz around or something until it breaks. Something like that. Maybe. You know, who knows? Who knows? But I'm going to leave this trend line there. Excuse me, guys. I'm going to leave that trend line there for sure. For sure, because we're gonna need that for sure. So when that breaks, then we know, okay, we might be going up. Excuse me, guys, it's late. Okay, excuse me. Okay, so that was Aussie dollar. All right. So looking for buys on Aussie dollar next week. If we can get a ricochet into this zone. If not, then if we get a break below it and then bounce off of it, then of course we're looking for sales off of that bounce down there, leading down that way, of course. But we're looking for buys though mainly. If that doesn't happen, then we're looking for sales. Okay, so we're never going to be too biased about any position, but we're going to have a dominant position in mind. Okay, guys. So that was Aussie dollar, and see, we may be able to do one more. Let's do one more. Let's do a random one. Aussie dollar and Euro cat's gonna be the death of me. All right. Hold on. There we go. Euro cat. We meet again. Let me see. Oh, let's go to the H4. Alrighty. So here's EuroCAD. As you can see, we've been doing something to the tune of boom, boom, boom. Kind of doing something here. Came back. Now it's looking like something's going on here. Okay, so judging by just this right here, like it might have some structure going. Let me see. Maybe that's what it's doing. Maybe it's finding structure. Okay, so that may be what it's doing. Let's see. See if we can get our rectangle tool back up. Okay, maybe finding structure. Also, we see this trend here going there. I'm gonna put it there. Just I'm a little biased for the downside. Let me see, EuroCAD. I might be biased for the up. We don't know. Let me see. Cause it's not even play around with it. 1, 2. There we go. See? It's not even play around with it because we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Break below, break above. Oh, there's a trend channel thingy. Looks like it might be, yeah, no. Headed up. Reached about right there. And then we got the second TP. Reached about right there. I would think. think that it would look something like this, because it's what is that? It is boom, falling down. Okay, top of the wedge, hit the bottom of the wedge. Boom, found some type of right here, some type of support, some type of structure. Down here, some type of support, some type of structure as well. Boom. Now it's finding some type of structure, some type of support. Again, in this same kind of structural supported area. You know what I mean? At this point, it's like voice memos. I'm going over EuroCAD without at the same time. It's kind of like voice memos as well. So it's like this. It may do something like this. I'm just thinking extra now, which is what I shouldn't. But what I do see is this area being of some type of structural support. Okay. And so this zone up here being some type of structural resistance as well as this small zone up here. So when the market does get up to here, we can look for it to kind of take some type of pausing action up there. Okay, so no matter what that is, we can bet there's going to be a pause at that area of some type. So it'd be smart to take some profit at that area. So let's get this out the way. Boom. If that doesn't do that, then of course, standard boom, blah, 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 blah. But why would it do all that when it's not even, you know? Then it would have to come up and do all this and just make new structure that would look weird. So we're banking on this right here because we've already seen it kind of get off that structure up in there. Let's go to the H1 up in there. You see that? We already kind of see it. Right, that not penetrated, but now it's type of structure going on, like that type of thing. You know. So we're just waiting for it to do its thing. Come market open. But this would have been a nice entry if it was, a Monday or Tuesday. But, we're just analyzing for the next coming week. That's it. Again, this is EuroCAD. And I believe the last chart was Aussie dollar. Okay, EuroCAD and Aussie dollar. I'm gonna put those into the description. Again, this has been EuroCAD and also Aussie dollar, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and see you guys later.